How plywood is made in the plywood manufacturing industries. Welcome back to Machine Art Channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. You know guys, we use plywood for a lot of things. We use plywood to make furniture and so on and so forth. You know, the manufacturing of plywood starts by cutting down trees from the bush or from a man-made forest. Now, if it's cut down from a natural forest, it can lead to what we call deforestation. It can make a vegetation, a very good vegetation, to become an arid or semi-arid land. That's a semi-desert or desert land. So what's the rule? When you cut down trees, what do guys? You cut down trees, you can replant. You can see that after cutting down these trees, they put it in a heating funnel or method to heat this wood up, to burn it to an extent in order to induce some kind of heat and to make it easier to be able to peel the back of the wood. You know, a wood has the back, then the wood itself. All right, so it will be peeled up, and the peeled wood will be sectioned differently, and the machine will begin to grind. As the machine grinds it will be converting it to a paper wood. All right, so as you're watching it, the woods are in the process of peeling. It has been burned up already to induce some kind of heat. Maybe it makes the wood more durable. The heating that is induced on this wood makes the wood more durable. All right, one of these days I'm going to carry out a research. That I know that I've been converting and processing a lot of things, and I know usually that for things that you might heat up before you continue with the manufacturing or processing, it might be because the heat can make the products more durable, or perhaps make it easier to peel the back of this wood. So you see, as the wood is being peeled up, it will be sectioned differently and sent to another channel of the machine. So keep watching as you see how this wood is peeled, then is sectioned to another part of the machine, and you see how this machine cuts and grinds. After grinding the wood, it will convert it to paper wood. You can see how the sheets are being passed from one channel to the other. Once the sheets are passed from one channel to the other, what will happen, guys? It will be overlaid. You know what we call overlaying? You overlay a wood, or you overlay an object such that they will have to match together for the part and for the length to be equal. All right, that's what causes the thickness of plywood, and because they are overlaid and gummed and pressed together, it will look like one hard wood. But over time, you will see that when it begins to get worn out, you will actually be able to see the layers of plywood. So plywood is usually overlaid. Once it is overlaid, it can come in natural brown color or deep brown color that's been sprayed, or it may come in another color. You know, all of this can be done directly by the company. So let us say you want to make furniture, a blue colored plywood. You don't have to buy brown plywood and spray it with blue color or paint it. You can buy a plywood that is blue in color automatically directly from the company. usually penetrate deep into the wood so that it will last longer. All right, so you can see these guys do a lot of work, and as you can see, this is a heavy machine. You can see it has different channels, different sections of the machine. It goes from one processing to the other. You see, after manufacturing your plywood, you can have plywood to use and make a lot of furniture. See, very beautiful furnitures like cushions, like beds, like dining. You can use it to overlay the walls of a house. You can use it to overlay even the floor of a house. Just look at these beautiful furnitures, guys, just for plywood. Environmental beautification for your comfort, relaxation, and aesthetic feelings. All right, for your pleasantness and chilliness. When I say chilling, I don't mean chilling like freezing. All right, please guys, subscribe to Machine Art channel for more exciting uploads. Thank you.